Hello, and welcome to English in 7 Minutes, where you learn real English in just 7 minutes a day. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hi, Alex. Now, be honest. Did you finish everything on your to-do list yesterday?
No. I planned to clean the kitchen, answer my emails, and call the dentist. And instead, I watched videos of dogs for an hour.
That is so relatable. And it has a name. It's called procrastination. That's when you delay doing something you should be doing right now.
Today, that's exactly our topic. Why do we procrastinate, and how can we stop? And as always, we'll teach you 6 useful words and phrases along the way.
But first, our question of the day. Alex, here's the question. Scientists have a name for the part of the brain that helps us plan ahead and resist temptation. But which part of the brain is it?
Go on.
Is it A, the prefrontal cortex, B, the hippocampus, or C, the cerebellum?
I want to sound clever, so I'll say A, the prefrontal cortex.
Okay. We'll find out if you're right at the end of the episode.
So, Nina, why do we put off important jobs? I do it all the time.
Let's stop there, Alex. You said put off. What does it mean?
Good question. To put off something means to delay it, to move it to a later time. I keep putting off my homework means I keep doing it later and later.
Exactly. And the strange thing is, we often put off the things that matter most. We have a deadline. That's the final date or time when something must be finished. And yet, we still wait until the last minute. Oh, I know that feeling. The night before the deadline, suddenly I have so much energy.
Right? But why does this happen? One reason is that other things feel more tempting.
Tempting. That's a nice word. If something is tempting, it looks attractive and makes you want it, even when you know you shouldn't.
Perfect. A piece of chocolate cake is tempting when you're on a diet, and checking your phone is tempting when you should be working.
So, my phone is the enemy?
Well, it's a battle of willpower.
Ooh, define that one for our listeners.
Willpower is the inner strength to control yourself and do the difficult thing instead of the easy thing. Saying no to that cake takes willpower.
And here's something interesting I read. Scientists say willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired during the day. So in the evening, after a long day, we have less of it left. That's why we give up and watch dog videos.
That actually makes me feel better about last night. So if willpower runs out, what's the solution? How do we tackle a big job?
There's word number 5, tackle. To tackle a problem or a job means to start dealing with it in a determined way.
And the best way to tackle something big is not to look at the whole thing at once. That's terrifying. Instead, you make it bite-sized.
Bite-sized. I love this. If something is bite-sized, it's broken into small, easy pieces, small enough to eat in one bite.
So instead of write the whole report, your task becomes write one paragraph. That feels possible. That feels bite-sized.
And once you start, the hardest part is over. Starting is the magic.
Exactly. Experts say the trick is the 2-minute rule. Just promise yourself you'll do the job for 2 minutes. Usually, once you begin, you keep going.
I'm going to try that with the dishes tonight. 2 minutes.
I'll check on you tomorrow, Alex.
Now, before we forget, the answer to today's question. You asked which part of the brain helps us plan ahead and resist temptation. I said A, the prefrontal cortex.
And you were correct. It's the prefrontal cortex. the front part of the brain that controls planning, decisions, and self-control. Well done, Alex.
My willpower paid off.
Okay, let's recap today's 6 words and phrases.
First, put off. To delay something to a later time.
Then, deadline. The final time something must be finished.
Tempting. Attractive in a way that makes you want it, even when you shouldn't.
Willpower. The inner strength to control yourself and do the hard thing.
Tackle. To start dealing with a problem in a determined way.
And bite-sized. Broken into small, easy pieces.
And that's all for today. Remember, don't put off your English practice.
Make it bite-sized. Just 7 minutes a day. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.